focus to the other big story we're tracking here on 5 Live, and that's an attack on the house of Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman in Agra in Uttar Pradesh over his statement on Maharana Sangha. Enraged members of the Karni Sena reached the residence of Ramji Lal Suman with a bulldozer on Wednesday. Earlier, Karni Sena members had protested outside the Madhya Pradesh office of the Samajwadi Party and objected to Ramji Lal Suman's remarks on the Rajput Emperor, Rajput King Maharana Sangha. The Karni Sena announced a reward of about 5 lakh rupees on a person who will blacken Ramji Lal Suman's face and hit him with shoes. The conflict originated over Ramji Lal Suman's statement in Rajya Sabha on the 21st of March, where he categorically labelled Mewad's pride, Mewad's ruler, Maharana Sangha, as a traitor, claiming Hindus were his descendants. And this inflammatory comment struck a raw nerve with the Karni Sena, an organization renowned for a passionate defense of the historical legacy of the Rajputana. But of course, Ramji Lal Suman has been backed by Akhilesh Yadav. The fact remains, instead of attacking Ramji Lal Suman's house, breaking cars and vandalizing property around his house, why did Karni Sena not put out facts about Maharana Sangha and his valor in public domain?
बाबर को लाया कौन? बाबर को इब्राहिम लोदी को हराने के लिए राणा सांगा लाया था। तो मुसलमान तो बाबर की औलाद हैं और तुम गद्दार राणा सांगा की औलाद हो, ये हिंदुस्तान में तय हो जाना चाहिए। अगर बाबर की तो आलोचना करते हैं, राणा सांगा की आलोचना नहीं करते। सभापति महोदय,
तो अगर रामजी सुमन जी ने भी इतिहास का कोई पन्ना पलट दिया, जिस पन्ने में अगर इस तरह की भाव लिखा होगा, 200 साल पहले, 100 साल पहले हम लोगों ने तो इतिहास लिखा नहीं। इतिहास किसने लिखा है? इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी से पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश की हमारी समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ से निवेदन है कि इतिहास के पन्ने ना पलटें, क्योंकि इतिहास के पन्ने अगर पलटे जाएंगे तो लोग ये भी याद करेंगे कि छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जब उनका तिलक होना था तो किसी ने उनका तिलक नहीं किया और हाथ से तिलक नहीं किया गया। सुनने में आ रहा है कि पैर के बाएं अंगूठे से उनका तिलक किया गया था। क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस बात की निंदा करेगी आज?
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of the Hindvi Swaraj. Now, when you talk about Maharana Sangha, he had repeatedly defeated Ibrahim Lodi, not once, twice. He defeated I will get to this entire history of the valor of Maharana Sangha, and the question here remains, why is it that those who are indulging in vandalizing these areas, why are they not bringing out these facts? He was one of the most dominant Rajput rulers of Mewad. He had fought and won multiple battles, known for his unwavering courage, leading from the front, despite being injured, despite losing an arm and a leg in a battle. He defeated the Lodis, the Khiljis. He took on the Sultanate of Gujarat. He defeated multiple rulers. But the fact remains, these aspects are not highlighted. What is highlighted is a claim that he's the one who invited Babur to defeat Ibrahim Lodi. It is being claimed. Of course, this is a fact that is contested amongst historians too. But I quickly want to bring in India Today's Samarth Srivastav for more on this. Samarth, what more can you tell us about this controversy, and why is it that the police were not able to protect Ramji Lal Suman's house in Agra and there was so much vandalism there?
Well, exactly, Gaurav. Police somehow failed because 3 policemen also suffered injuries in this particular incident. And as per the senior police officials, they did the lathi charge to disperse the crowd, as more than dozen members of Karni Sena reached and created ruckus outside the house of Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman. And this happened in the district of Agra, as they were saying that they were quite hurt with the statement of Ramji Lal Suman, where he called Rana Sangha as a traitor, comparing him with Babar, even saying that Rana Sanga invited Babar to fight against Ibrahim Lodi, and that's why, because he called Rana Sanga also a traitor, and that's why Karni Sena members were unhappy, and that's why they reached there and created ruckus. Not just that, they even vandalized some around 10 cars that were parked outside, some furniture, and the initial gate which was erected right outside the house, as per the police reports. Though policemen have detained many persons who created ruckus outside, and it seems that as per the policemen, an FIR could also be registered in this particular case. But if you talk about this particular controversy, then it all starts with the Salar Ghazi, and then moves to Aurangzeb, and then now from Babar it came to Rana Sanga, where some party leaders are saying that Rana Sanga was great, while Samajwadi Party MP clearly saying, while Akhilesh Yadav also backing. Though latest statement has also come from Akhilesh Yadav that about this particular vandalism that happened in Agra. Akhilesh is saying that Lalji Suman's house was vandalized because he is a Dalit. So that's what Akhilesh Yadav has refuted to this particular claims of the vandalism that happened today. So it's going to be worth seeing if a FIR could be registered in this particular case. But yes, it's worth mentioning here that another war from the pages of history has begun in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Back to you.
Okay, in Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he's also responded to those who either praise the invaders like Babar and Salar Ghazi and Aurangzeb, who's seen as somebody who's extremely cruel and a bigot, and those who praise the likes of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharana Pratap and Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Now, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he's hit back at the Samajwadi Party over their comments on Maharana Sanga, accusing the opposition of glorifying Aurangzeb, Babar and Jinnah. He questioned their understanding of Indian history and called them opportunistic, insisting they cannot teach the history or the valor of Maharana Pratap or Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj or Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And these are those brave warriors who always fought against the bigotry of the Mughals. Let's listen in to what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said about Maharana Sanga and the valor of Maharana Pratap, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Guru Gobind Singh Ji.
इनको पलटी मारने में कोई देर नहीं लगेगी। भाई आज कर रहे हैं तो कहीं वोट लेना होगा, तो उनके कुछ नेताओं ने बयान देने शुरू किए हैं कि अब जो लॉस हो रहा है और जो कटघरे में खड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है, तो उसके बारे में इन्होंने कहना शुरू कर दिया। नहीं साहब, ये तो जो है उन्होंने गलत बोला है, और ये तो राष्ट्रीय महापुरुष थे, राष्ट्र नायक थे। राणा सांगा के इतिहास को अगर इन्होंने पढ़ा होता, वो महान योद्धा जिसके शरीर के घाव इस बात को बताते थे कि इन्होंने भारत की धर्म और संस्कृति को बचाने के लिए उस समय किस प्रकार के पराक्रम का परिचय दिया था। ये महाराणा प्रताप, महाराणा सांगा, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और गुरु गोविंद सिंह के बारे में ये लोग बताएंगे? इतिहास के बारे में लोग क्या जानते हैं? जो औरंगजेब और बाबर की पूजा करते हो, जो जिन्ना को अपना आदर्श मानते हो, इन लोगों से इसकी उम्मीद नहीं की जा सकती है।